Christ will always be the head of the church. We cannot have an existence without being connected to Christ. There is no discipleship if there is no Christ, because the church's head is Christ. As long as I am a part of the church, I am in Christ. Who makes up the church? All of us together are the church. If I have a fault, the church will have a fault. And that is what the Lord is working on every day. When He's working on me, He's working on the church. Every day you clean your homes. Every day you clean the church. The church is not a finished product. The church is on a journey. So we cannot approach the church as a finished product. There will be faults. We are human beings. But the Lord is working on us, and the greatest gift for the church is that the Lord has not given up on the church.